Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're catching up with Nick Foles, the Super Bowl LII MVP, who led the Philadelphia Eagles to their first title and made NFL history. But now many are asking, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Nick Foles was drafted by the Philadelphia Eagles in the third round of the 2012 NFL Draft. He rose to prominence in 2013 with an MVP-caliber season, and later cemented his legacy by taking over late in 2017 and leading the Eagles to a 41-33 win over the New England Patriots in Super Bowl LII, game in which he threw for 373 yards, 3 touchdowns, and also caught a touchdown pass on the iconic Philly Special. Over his 11-year career, he played for several teams, including the Eagles, Rams, Chiefs, Jaguars, Bears, and Colts. In May 2023, Foles was released by the Indianapolis Colts, and by August 2024, he officially announced his retirement from the NFL, choosing to retire as an Eagle by signing a ceremonial one-day contract. Since then, he's shifted his focus to life off the field, spending time with his family, exploring new passions, and expressing interest in mentoring and ministry. Where is Nick Foles now? As of now, Foles is no longer an active NFL player. He's based in Florida and is prioritizing family life with his wife Tori and their children. He's also expanding his off-field work. He's co-founded a brand called Dadzen, which celebrates fatherhood and is involved in media through a podcast under the same name. He continues to engage with football fans, appearing at Eagles events, and has talked about exploring coaching or ministry roles in the future. Nick Foles' journey is one you'll remember from backup to headline maker, then Super Bowl champion, and now off the field, forging a new chapter. While the helmet is hung up for good, his legacy remains strong and his next moves are wide open. Whatever comes next, it's clear he's embracing the transition.